This video will show how to create a tiled mural from a single image. We want to create a 4-foot by 3-foot mural here using 12-inch tiles. So the first thing that we'll do is make a 12-inch by 12-inch box. And there we go. Next, make sure that you've got Snap to Objects on. We're going to grab here in the lower left-hand corner and drag it over to the right, holding Control so that it is constrained. As you can see, I'm moving my mouse up and down, but the box isn't moving up and down. So it's constrained. And once I reach the opposite node, I'm going to right-click and that'll make a copy of it. Then if I just hit Control R to repeat that twice, I've now got 4 copies. I'm going to grab all those, and this time selecting a top node, I will drag down, once again holding Control, and right-click until it is duplicated, and then hit Control R again, and now I've got my 3-foot by 4-foot section here. Moving the picture out of the way so that it doesn't get in our way. I'm going to select all 12 of those boxes. As you can see down here it says 12 objects selected. We're going to combine those into a single curve. You can see curve on layer 1 is now 48 by 36. And I will go ahead and zoom out again. Okay, so selecting our image now, with the right mouse button we will drag it over and then release it over the top of our boxes. And that's going to power clip it inside of those boxes. If we move it around, you'll see that the bitmap then moves along with that as well. Right-clicking on it gives us the option to edit the contents. There we go. I'm going to edit the contents here. All those squares now turn blue to show us that that's our shape that we are going to be within. I'm just going to grab a corner handle and drag it up until I get to where I want it to be. Looks good to me, and we'll click Finish Editing. So now you can see that we've got one power clipped image that takes up the whole area. Last thing we have to do is just go up to Arrange and say Break Power Clip Curve Apart. And now each one of these is an individual tile that we can output. And there you've got a single image that is broken down into 12 individual tiles.